this video, I'll actually show you how to design your QR code on Instagram. It's actually a very simple tutorial that you can do on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you want to learn how to do it, make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. But before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, actually helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100K by the end of the year, so help us out here. And you can also comment down below which country are you watching this video from, and also if you have any topics that you want us to cover in another video, let us know and we'll try to make a video on that within the next week. So what you want to do is just open up Instagram, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and when it loads up, the first thing you want to do is click on the three dashes at the top right corner. And normally most tutorials start with settings, but here you just click on QR code right here. It should be the fifth option. And you can, because if you basically have a few templates, right? You can either have a color, an emoji, and you can also have selfie. You can have, a few presets to choose from. So the first thing you want to decide which one of these QR codes do you want to work and design. For example, if you want to start with the color one, you can, by tapping anywhere on the screen, you can actually change it to a bunch of different colors to match your preferences, maybe your brand, color scheme, and something else. So the color options are, you can adjust them a lot and also not that much at the same time, because you do not have that many options here. The second option that you can do is actually going for an emoji one. If you choose to go that route, you can customize it as well by tapping anywhere on the screen, and a lot of emojis will pop up. So the same way that you can customize a color one, you can also customize an emoji one. To switch to an emoji one, just click on color at the top and you switch to one. So basically in emojis you can customize it, and it's personally my personal favorite. So if I'm going to share my QR code, I like the emoji ones. You can see that I use a lot of emojis on my thumbnails as well. So yeah, I think this would be helpful for you. If you still have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section down below. You can like the video for the algorithm. We're actually uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you still have any questions, just comment them down below. We'll try to get back to them ASAP. And if you're one of the committed people that stayed all the way until the end, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you in the next video. Bye.